say why you don't have the holiday cheer, because I don't have my holiday here. Up on this earth, I feel like my G-Ma was what made me smile when it was holiday times. I feel like I'm gonna keep on crying to this beat, cause I never show signs of fucking E to the motion. I feel like I am on this roller, yeah, I'm coasting. Pop a pill, I'm dosing, never overdosing. Feeling like this drink in my hand just got me lost in my world. I'm lost in hip world. I pick up my phone, I just call your girl, and that's what I'm gonna do. I just might fuck your girl, cause that's what I do, cause it is Hippo's world. Savage ass little nigga, I try to stay so true to this motherfucking money. Ask Benji, it is true. Benji's what I do, yeah, me and Benji G bitches. Feeling like me and Benji really don't need bitches, but we get them, so we go, then we split them, just like the dough. When I get it, but I keep it, and I feel like I need it, and I take your bitch, I beat it, and if she thinks she bad, then I might just go and eat it. No, I feel like I'm gonna keep on fucking, cause I need to show her what I can do. Only in that bedroom, she can never get my heart, cause it's attached to my fucking pockets and my wallet. I can't stop it though, feeling like I need to let a jump get up beside me though. I just feel like I know that this money is my hobby, ho. There's no way that you can ever take me or just make me slow up. I can't feel my face, this cup is too strong, man, nigga. What the fuck you keep on talking to me about? I don't wanna hear it, shut the motherfucking mouth. Lil Hip is here, man. Shots to my G-Ma, shots to my nigga Fuzz, shots to my nigga Hip, and my little sister too. What they gonna fucking do? They can't fuck with your boy, Lil Hip.